wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! We have another story laid out for you today. Yep, but it's more teaching time than anything else, to be quite honest, because it's about words. Our first words, right? Yeah, first words. The first words we ever speak, like mama, or mommy, and papa, or daddy. Yep, but we already know a lot of words, right? Yeah. So what else can we learn? Well, we can learn about what we eat. Food words, right? Like, an apple. Do you know an apple? A-P-P-L-E. An apple. Or juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. And if we want orange juice, we know of orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Right? Do you like bananas? Do you know how to spell bananas? Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana! Good job. Now, can you also spell egg? Egg. Egg, 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 egg. E-G-G. Egg. What else would we eat for breakfast? Ooh, you know what I like? I like to eat a cookie. Cookie! The Cookie Monster! C-O-O-K-I-E! Cookie! I know Olivia likes to eat a toast.
I love toast, it's delicious.
Do you know how to spell a toast?
Mm-mm.
Toast! Olivia's toast! T-O-A-S-T! Toast! Now that we've had breakfast, let's learn our toy words. Right? What toys can we spell? I know Olivia has a toy doll. Do you know how to spell doll? D-O-L-L. And when I was a baby, I had a rattle. A rattle. R-A-T-T-L-E. Rattle. And do you remember my building blocks? Yeah, I love building blocks. How do we spell that? Those are two long words, aren't they? B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building and blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S. Blocks. Building blocks. Woohoo! Ooh, do you know what I love to play with? My drums. Drums. D-R-U-M-S. Drums. And then I also like to play with my truck. Have you seen my truck? Yeah, you have. It's T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Ooh, I kind of want to play with my truck. I don't want to read anymore. Can we play with my truck? No, we're still learning, aren't we? Wow. Let's go on. Now we've had breakfast and we played with our toys. Now we will go to the park and learn some words there. What can we see there? You know what? We're gonna take Fluffy along to the park, right? Do we know how to spell Fluffy? Fluffy is spelled F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy! Right? But what is Fluffy? Fluffy is a dog, isn't he? Yeah. And how do we spell a dog? We spell a dog D-O-G. Correct. And while we're out in the park, what else would we see? I know I want to play with the swing. The swing. S-W-I-N-G. The swing. And I know you, Olivia, you want to play with the slide, don't you? Slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. And while we're out with the slide, who else do we see? There's a pond. Yeah, do you see that pond right there? Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. And on top of the pond, we see a duck. Do you see that duck over there? Yeah? D-U-C-K. Duck. And I also see a frog. A frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Now we've gone and had breakfast. We've played with our toys. And we've even gone out to the park. Now it's time to go to bed. Good night. No, not yet. No, don't leave. No. Maybe it's time for bed, right? But when we're in our bed, what can we see? Well, I know that I will take Elmo with me to bed, right? Elmo. E-L-M-O. Elmo. But maybe I will take Elmo along to bed and you will take a teddy bear to bed. Right? You at home, you kids have a teddy bear. Teddy bear. T-E-D-D-Y. And bear we spell B-E-A-R. Teddy bear! Teddy bear! Those are 2 words, right? And what else do we see? We see a star, right? A star just outside of the window in the sky. S-T-A-R. Star. And do you see right over there too? The moon? Do you see the moon? It lights up the sky. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. And you know what I have here holding in my arms? A book. That's something we see at bedtime too, don't we? B-O-O-K. Book. So kids, we learned all of our breakfast words, all of our toy words, our park words, and our bedtime words. I think we've learned enough for today, haven't we? Now it's time to go to bed. Good night, kids. Sleep well, sleep tight, and dream again. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!